What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google My Business listing profile account, okay? But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have not yet created your Google My Business account, feel free to check the video on my channel. I have made a comprehensive video on how you can actually create your own Google My Business account, step-by-step video. And after you are able to create the account, you can watch this video and see how you can actually log in to your Google My Business account. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create a new tab here. And I'm going to make use of my address bar. So I'm going to type in www.google.com, then /business. Then you press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, guys, so this is how it's going to open up when you follow the right URL I type in from the address bar right here. So the next thing you have to do is to navigate to sign in. So straight up, so this is how you can actually sign into your Google My Business. You can see that this is my account right here. There are a lot of things you need to know as far as Google My Business is concerned, but in the nearest future, I will make a lot of video about how you can effectively use your Google My Business profile account to grow your business online. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, click on the like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.